Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Google Docs. Tables are very useful for organizing information, creating lists, presenting data, and making your documents look more professional. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the address bar, type docs.new and press Enter to quickly open a new Google Docs document. Once your document is open, place your cursor where you want to insert the table. Next, click on the Insert menu at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Table. You will see a grid with different rows and columns. Move your mouse over the grid to choose the number of rows and columns you need. For example, if you want to create a table with 3 columns and 4 rows, select that size from the grid and click on it. The table will be automatically added to your document. You can now start entering your information into the different cells of the table. To customize your table, you can resize rows and columns, add or remove rows, change cell colors, and adjust the text formatting. To add a new row or column, right-click inside a table cell and use the available options such as Insert Row Above, Insert Row Below, Insert Column Left, or Insert Column Right. You can also remove parts of the table by using the right-click options. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to insert a table in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Docs tips, productivity tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next video.